Hey, my name is Cheryl Denty. I just want to welcome you to this 4-bedroom, 2-bath, custom family home built on a 90 by 95 waterfront lot. When you enter into the living room, you'll notice that it has beautiful hardwood floors and baseboard heat. When we walk from the living room, we enter into the updated kitchen with granite countertops, maple cabinets, and a breakfast bar area that leads to your 2-story vaulted dining room. Off this room, you walk into the additional sunroom with stunning water views that lead to your deck. The master bedroom has hardwood floors, 2 full closets, and a full bath with a walk-in shower. The home also features 3 other nice-sized bedrooms. Once you enter off your sunroom, you exit onto the deck to enjoy the waterfront living with easy access to the bay. Just so you know, there is brand new vinyl bulkhead. All the landscaping has just been redone, and it's waiting for its new owner. If you would like any more information, please don't hesitate to call me. Again, I'm Cheryl Denty. I can be reached at area code 917-257-7911. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hope to see you again.